Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Anyway, my genius from you are welcome to today's class. Once again, my name is Kobe SG. I'm a data analyst, and also a data analysis instructor. So this is going to be the day 17 of our 50 days Excel work hour and 50 days challenge we are embarking on together. So today we are going to be learning, we want to learn a particular function, but learning that function for us to confirm that the function works, we need to learn on that function. Exactly. So that means today's class is going to be what? A two-in-one function. We're going to be learning two functions in today's class. It should probably be the first time we are going to do that. We are going to be doing that. Exactly. So in today's class, what we are going to be doing is this: is that we are going to be learning a function called the learn function. Then after that, we are going to be learning a function called the trim function. Actually, the function we want to learn is a trim function. But the learn function is just for us to confirm if the function actually works or it didn't. Now, the first thing I want to show you is I want us to know the number of characters we are having in each of these cells. You know, you and I know that Ola is just three-letter words, right? But and one thing I think I've explained in this class is that what Excel sees space as what as a character, right? Now you can see I'm having 11 characters in this particular cell, in which is supposed to be three. And look at this one also. So that means I'm having a lot of extra spaces in what? In all my cells. Exactly. This one I'm having a lot of spaces here. I'm having a lot of spaces here because tau is just 5. If it is just a space, it should be 5. Tau is just 4 plus a space making 5. Bokumi making 5, 10. It should be 12, but I'm having 18. That means I'm having what? A lot of extra spaces. Then I'm having Tobidele, which just, okay, this is 9, which is correct. Toby is 5 letter words. The space making, Toby is 4 letter words, sorry. The space making 5, then Dele plus 4 making 9. So it's correct. Correct is just what? 14. So by this one, we have what? You can see 31 characters. So how do we remove these what, extra spaces? The function we're using in removing this is called what? It's called the trim function. What do I call it? Trim function. Now, how does trim function works? Let me apply it. Then I will now explain based on what our results. Now, click on this like this. Then click on this and say enter. Now you can see it. Now let me use my autofill. Double tap. You can see it. Now, how are we going to be sure this thing has actually worked? Now let us just check the word for the length of this one. Also, we use the length function to check the length of what each of the cell. Now you can see that I'm having what? How many character now? I'm having 3 here. You can see 12. I'm having 9 here. I'm having 14, 14, which is correct. Now let me quickly tell you a rule about trim function. Now this is how trim function works. Trim function is going to remove what? Leading space. That means if you are starting a particular cell with spaces, you understand that that is not the way it's supposed to be, right? So you starting a particular cell with space, that means it's an error. So what's going to happen? The trim function will help us to remove that space. In between two words, in between two words, I say is it what? Yeah, in between two words, we're supposed to be having just a space, but whenever we're having more than a space, that's an error. So what's going to happen? Our trim function is going to help us to reduce that particular what space to what? Just one. Can you see it? That's why I'm having just a space in. Now, if our cell is having just a space initially, what's going to happen? What's going to happen is that our space is going to leave it like our team is going to leave it like that. It's not going to affect anything. That's why in this Toby daily you can see it was 9 here and so it's still 9 here. Why? Because what? We only have just a space at what? At the right place. Exactly. Then Korea ACG, I'm having a leading space and what? A lot of space in the middle. It reduces to one and same thing to this. So thanks for joining everyone. We are going to be meeting our class tomorrow. Bye. Do have a nice day.